Okay, meteorologist Dean Davis and the Weather Pros live, weatherblogs.com. Time for information on tropical systems, and we're going to start with where we're talking about, which is Florence. Let me explain this. We are a bit out for this to occur. Okay, so things are going to change over the next few days. Anybody can tell you where it's going to strike right now is full of crap. Because over the next couple of days, as far as 3 days, we get a high pressure out here, a low pressure move off, okay? And this continues as this tropical system moves, Florence moves into there. By day 6, this is from the Weather Prediction Center, this would be having an aim towards the Carolinas. The question is, does it go in and up? Does it get shifted right at the coastline and move up? Does it go out to sea? There are so many things going on. Today, we can tell you one thing. The model data has shifted west. What's that mean? It means it has a better shot, statistically, of striking the United States. Will it strike the United States? That's still to be determined, and probably won't have a good determination on that till late weekend, whether this may affect the eastern seaboard. But I can tell you this on a preparation standpoint. You want to have a plan if you are anywhere from the coast of Massachusetts down to Florida, because at this point, if this high pressure is stronger, it'll push it further south. If the low is stronger, it'll go further north and get rid of this high as being as strong, and that's going to be the ultimate thing. If this high is stronger, it's going to make landfall on the east coast. If it's weaker, it may make the turn with the low pressure system and go between the uprights and out to sea. But that's still a ways out to find out if that will occur. So we're taking a look at the precipitable water, and you can see this is the hurricane right here. It's moving pretty much in a dead west, a wobble to the west-northwest. Now it looks like it's going to the west. So a west-northwest. Here's the other thing. There's a trough coming, first trough coming in. So this is pushing it south at this point. The high pressure and remnants of Gordon are here. Let's get a ridge going, which should allow this to stay on a west-northwest track. The question is, does the next trough catch this and boost it out to sea? Does it come in close to the United States and make that turn, or does it miss the trough, and the high pushes it south, and we wind up with a Carolina coast to Massachusetts strike? That is what we're going to look for. Then we have this 92, Invest 92. This is going to go south. This is probably going to go towards the islands and probably Gulf Florida to the southeast at some point beyond Florence. And then we got another one coming off the coast right now. That's the thing is, Florence will distinctly push this next system south. So even if Florence doesn't affect us, this system 92L will likely have an effect on the United States, unless the high or lows are so strong that it pushes it into Mexico. But right now, it's too far out also, but this would statistically have a better shot right now to make landfall based on this storm pushing the storm south, a more southern move, the trough not going as far south based on time of year, would definitely have a potential landfall potential, and same with the one behind it, because that's going to follow this one. And it's coming into the heart of hurricane season, so this is not surprising. As you see, there's liquid in front of it. So this has got a little cold air that got into there, but it's starting to strengthen right back up. So this is going to be an interesting thing to watch. Models are all over the place. Like I said, right here, this is a good box right here. After that, a lot of them now are pushing towards the coastline. More western track today than it was yesterday. Very few are shooting out to sea, and they're not actually very utilized, more utilized models. So let's see what we got here. I showed you this already. The 92L, like I said, is going to make that western progressive track. You can see there with the models, nothing really is shooting off here specifically. Nothing that's a stronger model is shooting off this at all. So what do I tell you? I say to prepare yourself for now, in case this thing comes to shore, because when it gets closer, the time, if it is going to strike, is going to diminish quickly. So please be aware of this. We'll keep you updated, and we'll talk to you again soon. Meteorologist Dean Davis and the Weather Pros. Thanks for watching.